Hey friends, so if you're watching this video, you may have just read the step-by-step guide on how to install a AiM dash or Link dash in the factory Honda dash. If you didn't read that guide, there's going to be a link in the description below. For right now, I'm just going to walk through what we actually have here. So we'll switch to the close-up. So like I said, this is a Link MXS 5-inch digital dash, same as the AiM dash, but with different software. Still has this little guy on here. That's why the screen looks like that. This is a factory OEM CRX dash, right? 30 years old, that I have gutted, removed this stuff, removed all the wires, removed all the light bulbs from the back. I've cut 2 holes so that we can plug it in to the ECU. There you see. And then this is a carbon fiber plate that I got from Race Dash Solutions on Instagram. I'll put a link to that below too. As you can see, it's kind of stood off a little bit. Normally there would be the plastic here and then the gauges. There's not going to be the plastic. It's just going to be open so you can press these buttons. And of course the factory cowl that this will all fit in. And then this will all go right into the CRX that you just saw behind me. So stay tuned for the next video on how we're going to configure this and wire this into the CRX. But for right now, I'm feeling pretty good about this. Thanks for watching.